Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding delimitation in India. 1. Delimitation is a constitutionally mandatory exercise to be done after every census. 2. It is carried out by the Delimitation Commission, established by the Parliament. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct. Delimitation, a constitutional mandate, is supposed to happen after every census. The process adjusts the number of constituencies of Parliament and state assemblies in accordance with the latest population figures to ensure that the number of people represented by any member of Parliament or member of Legislative Assembly is roughly the same. However, this exercise has been suspended since 1976 due to a lack of political consensus. Statement 2 is correct. The Delimitation Commission is an independent body formed by the Government of India, typically through a parliamentary act, and is responsible for setting boundaries of constituencies based on population data from the census. Which of the following statement best describes a parasitic twin? A. An asymmetrically conjoined twin in which one twin is incompletely formed and relies on the fully developed twin for survival. B. A twin that is completely reabsorbed early in development, leaving only a vestigial remnant. C. A conjoined twin where both twins are equally developed and share all vital organs. D. A twin that develops from two separate fertilized eggs and later fuses together to form a single organism. Answer is option A. A parasitic twin is a rare condition that happens when a conjoined twin stops developing. The parasitic twin never fully develops but stays attached to its twin, who continues to develop until birth. A parasitic twin happens early in embryonic development, so its organs or limbs can be nearly unrecognizable. This results in the healthy, developed twin, the dominant or autocytic twin, being born with extra limbs, organs, or tissue from its parasitic twin. The dominant twin is at high risk for medical complications and requires medical treatment after birth. Thank you.